J2vote enables the creation of online voting. We click here to create a new vote. We can use one of these templates or just start with a blank page. We type in a question and then type in some answers. You can see that there's lots of settings. We can prompt the user for their name, we can force them to be signed in at the school, or we can allow anyone to vote. We can make it a quiz where there's a correct answer. Once we've created the vote, we need to save it. We can either just save the vote and then share it, or in this case I'm just going to blog it to the school blog site. And we can now display any votes that we get on the vote, and we can vote using any device. Here I'm just going to use a phone, but it could just equally well be a tablet. And I'm just going to go onto the blog and access the vote, and I'm going to cast my vote. We'll see that the vote has been recorded, and of course this vote could be displayed on a whiteboard in front of the class. Them all voting on various devices on the question that's been set.